Hello dear students, today we will see degeneracy in particle in 3D box, okay. In the last lecture, we have seen what is the equation for energy in particle in 3D box. First of all, let's compare in 1D box. What is the formula for energy in 1D box? Is equals to n square h square upon 8ma square, right. This was the formula for particle in 1D box, and what we have done during the energy levels, what we have done, the n has value from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, right. So, at every point, at every value of n, that means at each state the value of energy was only single, there was single value of energy, right. Here at the first level the value was h square upon 8ma square. For the second, n is equals to 2, the value was 4h square upon 8ma square. For n is equals to 3, 9h square upon 8ma square, right. So, only single value was there. But now, what happens in 3D box? Do you remember the formula? Formula for energy was h square upon 8m in bracket for the rectangular parallelepiped box. The formula was nx square upon a square along x axis plus ny square upon b square for y axis and z square upon c square for z axis. That was the formula if the box was rectangular. But when we consider the box is cubic, see, its symmetry is increased. If it gains symmetry in such a way that the box become cubic. So, for cube, what happens? A is equals to B is equals to C, and therefore we can replace here by a square and here by a square. So, we will get E is equals to h square upon 8m in bracket nx square upon a square plus ny square upon a square plus nz square upon a square. So, we can write in common upon a square, right. Let's take it outside. So, the formula for energy for cubic box will be h square upon 8ma square in bracket nx square plus ny square plus nz square. That's it. So, now in our cubic case, the formula for energy is this. Now, what are the values where nx is equals to 1, 2 and so on, and y is equals to also 1, 2, 3 and so on, while nz is equals to n2, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, we have 3 different values here, and we can choose at a single time. We can have the value of nx as 1, ny as 1 and nz as 1. For second, this will be the lowest energy state, right. Then our energy value will be, see, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, it will be 3. So, the value of energy will be 3h square upon 8ma square. If we plot for 3D box, this will be 3h square upon 8ma square level, where this is the energy level. Nx will be 1, ny will be 1 and nz will be 1. This is ground first state. Now, for the second energy level, what will be the lowest value? First, this is 1, nx is 1, ny is 1, while nz is 2. If we consider this, then what will be the value of energy? The value of energy will be 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, 4, 5, 6. So, 6h square upon 8ma square. 6, this will be 6h square upon 8ma square. This will be the value of energy. But now, this value can be attained by different ways. This will be second energy level, 6h square upon 8ma square. Now, how can we show it is? It is given by this energy level where nx is 1 and y is 1 while nz is 2. But we can get this value by another way also. How? We can obtain here 6. Firstly, we have seen 1, 1, 2. Now we can say that Nx is 1. Okay, Nx is 1, Ny is all, Nz is 1 now. Nz is 1 while Ny is 2. If we consider Ny is 2, then also we will get 1, 2, 1, again we will get 6, 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, again we will get 6 and 6 h square upon 8m square. Similarly, we can obtain, if we consider this is Nx is 2 now, while Ny is 1 and Nz is also 1, then we will get Nx 2, 2 square, 1 square, 1 square. Again we will get 6 and again the same energy level. So, this value can be achieved by 3 different ways, 1, 2, 1 and third will be 2, 1, 1, right. So, these type of levels, these are 3 different levels, okay. These are 3 different levels. See, for same particle, x will be 1, y will be 1, z will be 2. For next condition, the x is 1, y is 2, z is 1. So, these are 3 different conditions, but having energy same. 3 different energy, 3 different values of Nx, Ny and Z having energy same are called as, so such a type of level is, such type of these 3 levels are called as degenerate, having same energy. That means they having same overall same energy, that is called as degeneracy. So, in this way, for particle in 3D box, we can plot the energy level graph quite different as compared to 1D box. Here was no issue of degeneracy, everything was fixed because only one value of n, but here there are different combinations of Nx, Ny and Z, and so we will get different degenerate levels. And let's try to plot the graph, or let's try to show the degeneracy in particle in 3D box. Our formula is E is equals to h square upon 8ma square in bracket nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Okay. Let's consider different values. For the minimum case, we have seen that 1, 1, 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that will be 3. So, the value will be 3. Now, in the second case, we have seen, we introduced 2. 1, 1, 2. At that point, 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, it will be 6. Right. This was one case. Again, we can say, we will just see the only single different cases. Now, this is for 1. Now, let's introduce another 2, here 2 and 2. So, 4, 4, 1. This will be 9. Again, what we can write? We can write 2, 2, 2. So, 4, 4, 4. It will be 12. Okay. Now, we can again introduce 1 and 2. These are only combinations for 1 and 2, right, to give different energy values. Now, we can introduce 3 also. So, we can write 1, 1, 3. So, what will happen? 9, 10, 11. Now, again 1, 2, 3, right. So, what will happen? 9, 10 and 14. Okay. Now, we can write 1, 3, 3. So, this will be 19. Again, we can write 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 9. This will be 17. Okay. Now, again, what can we write? 3, 3, 3. That will be so too much high. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 27. It will be too much high. So we will not plot so much higher energy levels because we have some restrictions, right? We will plot for only smaller. Let's plot for only up to 17. Again, what we can write? See, 114 will be 114 now. It will give us 18. Again, what we can write? Yeah, it's more than sufficient now. Okay, 18 is sufficient. And if you want, then you can add 1, 2, 4. No, it will be too high. So these much levels are possible. Again, any combination, any extra combination? 1, 2, 3 is already there. Again, 2, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3. That's it. 18 is there, 17 is there. Okay, that is fine up to 19. So let's plot this. Let's show the energy levels now. See, these are the values of Nx, Ny and Nz. So for each value, we can again give some combinations, different combinations. That means we can just exchange the values from Nx to Ny, Ny to Nz. So let's plot. We have obtained values up to 19. Here is energy, right? It is Nx square plus, that is Nx square plus Ny square plus Nz square, and in the units of h square upon 8ma square. Okay, and now let's plot from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, that's enough. So we have just plotted. Let's write first level was 3. Either 3. Here is 1, 1, 1. And let's write here degeneracy. We will see it later. Now next is 6, at 6. What was that? 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2. Now we can write combinations of 1, 1, 2, right? Here it is 1, 1, 1, so it will be same. But here it is non-degenerate. It has only one combination. But here we can write again 1, 2, 1, and again 2, 1, 1. So 3 degenerate levels we obtain for 6. Now the value 6h square upon 8ma square. Now next is at 9. It also has 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. So we can again give combinations 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2, 1. Right. So we can observe that if there are two digits are same and one is different, then we will obtain 3 combinations. So 3 degenerate levels we can have for the things where the digits are 2 digits are same while one is different. Here also 2 same, 1 is different. But for all the same, there will be only 1 level. Here also all are same. So the 12h square upon 8ma square energy level is non-degenerate. For 12, it is 2, 2, 2. Now let's see for 11. Before 12, there will be 11. 3, 6, 9, then 11. For 11, there is 1, 1, 3. Again 2 same, 1 different. So 3 levels are possible. 3 possibilities. So we can write 1, 1, 3. Here 1 3 1 and 3 1 1. Okay, and now again for 12 it is 2 2 2, non-degenerate level. Again 11 12, then 13 is not there, direct 14. So for 14, see here are all three different. Let's see how many energy levels we can make, or how many combinations we can make. 1 2 3. So here we can write first of all 1 as it is and just recombine this 3 2. Next, now let's take 2 in front side, 2 2 1 3. Again let's recombine this 2 2 3 1. Now let's take 3 front side, 3 then 1 2. Again we can recombine this 2 2 1. Now that's it. Only these many are possible. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 degenerate levels we can obtain. If there are 3 different things, then we can obtain 6. For one single digit there is 1, and 2 same, 1 different, there are 3 levels, 3 1. While if all 3 are different, then we will obtain 6 degenerate levels. Now 14 is over, then 15 is not there, 16 is also not there, directly 17. Let's go towards 17. What is it? 2 2 3. For 17, 2 2 3. Again 2 digits are same, so we can recombine in 3 ways, 2 3 2 and 3 2 2, right? That's it. And again next is after 17 there is 18. So let's write 18. For 18 also, see 1 1 4. We can write it in 3 different ways, 1 4 1, and next is z is 4, x is 4 and y and z are 1 1. Now next is 19, the last one we are assigning here is 1 3 3, 1 3 3. So we can write 3 1 3 and 3 3 1. Okay. In this way, in 3-dimensional box, we can write degenerate energy levels. Now let's assign degeneracy. For 3h square upon 8mh square, the degeneracy is 1. There is only one degenerate level. Here for the 6, the degeneracy is 3. For 8h square upon 8mh square energy level, the degeneracy is again 3. For 11h square upon 8mh square, the degeneracy is again 3. For 12, it is only 1. For 14, the maximum degeneracy, and it is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. For 17, the degeneracy is 3, 18 also 3, and for 19 also the degeneracy is 3. That's it. This is all about energy level diagram. Or we can see that we can name this figure as the energy levels for particle in cubic box with degeneracy or showing degeneracy. Got it? So you don't have to remember anything. You can directly calculate this at the time of exam. You can easily can take any value, and so you can plot the whole thing. It's very easy. and in some cases what happens, they will ask for which value of nx, ny and z the degeneracy is 19, or sorry, the degeneracy is 6, or it can also be asked that they will give the value of energy. E is equals to suppose 36 h square upon 8 mh square. So you have to find out, it will given for cubic box, you have to find out nx, ny and z, or the value of nx, ny and z. So you can write nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equals to 36, and you can find out different combinations and you will get the value of this. Likewise, only that type of questions may be asked, or for the theoretical paper it may be asked to draw, there will be question for drawing this energy level or energy level degeneracy or anything. That's it for today. In the next lecture we will say what is the eigenfunction and eigenvalues. Okay, thanks for watching.